No place, no program has more trained, permanently thin, sweet coordinators. They are there to help you through the seminar and help you all the way to being a thin eater. They are located all over the U.S. and Canada and other parts of the world. This concept is not just with one religion, it's international and it's universal. Why would the Muslim population be interested? Because they are no different than me or you. They have the same basic needs. This is about pushing away from the table and turning to God for strength and for help. Learning to focus more on the future than the moment is good for all mankind. Weigh down can work for any age, any denomination, any race, or any creed. The truths are universal to all religions because it's not about religion, it's about a relationship with God. It's about transferring a relationship with the food over to a relationship with your Creator, where you used to read and think about and dream about and dress for the food by putting on stretch clothes so that nothing would come between you and the binge at night. Now you read about and think about and long for and dress for your Creator. Food is a false god. It's not a good companion or a preoccupation or friend. God is the God of all comfort. True religion should be about what you adore, and we all adore or worship something. So essentially, we are all religious. But what you adore could help you or hurt you. If you bow down to the food, to the pan of brownies, to the refrigerator, or the alcohol bottle, it could be likened to a slow suicide. Obesity is fast becoming an epidemic, and the connection to death and disease is great. Overweight and obesity is the single most related factor to cancer, heart disease, and diabetes, as well as joint pains and poor health. Both medicine and the government are highly concerned about the rising costs and the problem of not being able to get people to lose weight. Half of medicine has become convinced that diets are the only answer to the epidemic of overweight, and so they're hopeless. Half of medicine has given up on trying to get the person to eat diet foods and is depending more on pills and hormones and suction-assisted lipectomies. Dieting never lost its popularity because it's so pushed by the money-making diet industry. They want to sell their food products because that is where the profit is. But in the meantime, the population has not benefited from the dominance of diet programs and specialty foods because it does not answer the root problem. It exacerbates the root problem, an addiction and a focus on food. But here at Weigh Down, we have the answer and we have hope. We watch everyday people who have dieted for years let go of control and relearn to eat like a thin eater.
10 years ago, if I had not found this program, I cannot imagine how large I would be today. And it just continues to change my life every day. I love it.
I had tried so many other methods that I figured, what was the harm? I mean, give this a shot, and if it doesn't work, I'm nowhere different than I was before finding Weigh Down. And what I found was that when I started applying these principles, it worked. And I had peace in my heart, and I had joy.
I did not know how to stop this behavior of eating for every emotion. I didn't know how to stop gaining weight, although I tried exercise, I tried dieting, I tried everything out there, but I could not get control of my weight. And through the Weigh Down workshop, thank God, I have a whole new life.
Weigh Down Basics is for everyone, not just for women. And I am proof of that you can permanently change. It's a change of your heart, which leads to an external change. And because of this teaching, because of this ministry, I have lost 60 pounds and have kept it off now for 7 years.